Sausage! Bloody hell! Where you gone? Female sausage. Bloody hell. Bells and buckets and jobbies. Where are you going? County Council shitwagon. Going to be carrying a load of sausages. They're on red lights. Bloody hell. I was sitting on the sofa with a blanket around us. It was lovely and warm and sitting, but I was freezing cold.
Yes. Get the horrible
Where on earth are you just going?
wait for the red light to come up.
She's going straight through the red lights. Christ, some sausages that drive around it, honestly.
Oh, I know.
660, thank you. Tap, yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Of course. Sausage.
I'm making a boo.
Okay, I'll let you get a bit of food then. Got a message from the opticians saying, oh, and here's somebody in the wrong lane. Alright, go on. Away, man, get out the road. Green man, Green Cross Road. Did you not look at that advert when you were at school? Bunch of sausages. Ah, that's right.
But I used to feel sorry for it because I used to hear you shouting, no, not there. Now I found out like nice stuff going, so now in fact most of the taxi drivers don't.
No. But nice indication, Mr. or Mrs. White Van Sausage. Thank you. You're supposed to guess that you're pulling in.
So I wasn't going to today because I've been full of cold.